My name's Chris Lawton from Jet Environmental. I'm the service manager there. The system is a temperature control system, and we control between 25 and 15 degrees. It's made up of 3 air handling units, an external pump set and 2 heat pumps. Jet provided a high velocity temperature control system. This gives a very close control of the warehouse conditions. MiTek chose Jet on this particular project due to our experience working in large facilities such as this. The success of the project was down to the coordination within Jet, working closely with the consultants from Instructions and the M&E contractor. The benefits of the system are energy saving, eco-friendly and close temperature control.